It's February, love is in the air, and we have a brand new Gin of the Month box to open. And look, it's pink! First up is our star of the show. This month's Gin of the Month is Hawkridge London Dry Victorian Aphrodisiac blend. Perfect for Valentines. We are mixing our perfect G&T with Fitch and Leedes Grapefruit Tonic, and we are using lime and Juniper for the garnish. Our February cocktail of the month is called a Gin Crush, get it? And we are mixing the Gin Crush syrup that you get in your box with this beautiful lightly sparkling juice from Flawsome. It's apples and strawberries flavoured, so a nice fruity cocktail for everyone this month. Extra drinks this month include Sekforde, aromatic raspberry, rose and sage. This is an alternative to tonic for anyone who's maybe not that way inclined. More pink drinks. This is Magners Rosé Cider. Can cider get any prettier than this? I don't think so. Ooh, Manchego and green olive Manomasa tortilla chips. Very exciting. What's not to love? We've got another snack this month, Savoursmiths Truffle and Rosemary flavour. Everybody loves truffle. Everyone's hopefully going to love these crisps. Urban Fruit Gently Baked Strawberries are next up, and they look delicious and are one of your 5 a day. How cute is this box? It's Charbonnel and Walker pink champagne truffles. So cute. And of course, our box wouldn't be complete without the beautiful Gin magazine, and I'm ready to fall in love with lots of floral recipes this month and tons of tips and tricks on how to enjoy Valentines with your nearest and dearest. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this month's box. I'm about to go and try a Gin Crush cocktail and wishing you a beautiful February.